There are 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Each one contains hundreds of billions of stars. The math says intelligent life should be absolutely everywhere. So why is space completely silent? This is the Fermi paradox, and the leading explanations should genuinely terrify you. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi sat down for lunch at Los Alamos National Laboratory and asked his colleagues a simple question: where is everybody? Given the sheer age and size of the universe, civilizations capable of communication or travel should have emerged millions of years before us. They should have had time to colonize the entire galaxy several times over. And yet, nothing. Total silence. Scientists call this the Great Silence, and it has haunted astronomers ever since. The Drake equation, developed by astronomer Frank Drake in 1961, tried to estimate how many communicating civilizations exist in our galaxy alone. Conservative estimates suggest there should be at least 1,000 active civilizations in the Milky Way right now. More optimistic calculations push that number into the millions. But we have been scanning the skies since 1960 with increasingly powerful instruments and found 0 confirmed signals. So what are the possible explanations? The first and most chilling is called the Great Filter. This theory, proposed by economist Robin Hanson in 1998, suggests there is some catastrophic barrier that prevents civilizations from advancing past a certain point. The terrifying question is whether that filter is behind us or ahead of us. If the filter is behind us, meaning the hard part was evolving complex life, then we are extraordinarily lucky survivors. But if the filter is ahead of us, meaning every civilization eventually destroys itself through war, climate collapse, artificial intelligence, or biological weapons, then we are simply the next in line. The 2020 paper published in the Astrophysical Journal by researchers at Oxford's Future of Humanity Institute calculated a 40% probability that we are alone in the observable universe based on current biosignature data. That number sounds reassuring until you flip it, because a 60% chance we are not alone means the filter is almost certainly still coming. The second major hypothesis is called the dark forest theory, popularized by Chinese physicist Liu Cixin. It proposes that every intelligent civilization hides in silence because the universe is a dark forest where any signal you broadcast is essentially an invitation to be eliminated. Any civilization advanced enough to travel interstellar distances would logically destroy potential competitors before they become threats. This is not science fiction. In 2015, a group of prominent scientists including Stephen Hawking signed an open letter warning that actively messaging extraterrestrial civilizations could be one of the most dangerous things humanity ever does. Hawking himself compared it to Native Americans encountering Columbus. The third explanation is simply that we are early. A 2016 study from Harvard and Oxford suggested that the universe may still be in its early stages of producing life-friendly conditions. We might be among the first civilizations to emerge, and the galaxy is simply not yet populated. Whatever the answer is, it changes everything about how we see our place in the cosmos. Either we are a miraculous accident, or we are walking toward a filter that has destroyed everything before us, or the universe is deliberately, strategically quiet. Carl Sagan once said there are only 2 possibilities: either we are alone in the universe, or we are not. Both are equally terrifying. The silence is not empty. It is telling us something. We just have not figured out what yet.